Welcome to Analyst Sultan. Today's I will walk you through how to enable data layer in your Shopify store. Whether you are using Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics 4 or Facebook Pixel, this setup is crucial for accurate tracking. By the end of this video, you will understand why data layer is essential and how to set up properly in a Shopify store. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what is data layer and why is so important. A data layer is like a container that store data about your website and user actions such as viewing a product or completing a purchase. This data is passed tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel or TikTok ads or tracking and optimization. Without a properly configured data layer, your tracking might miss key event or send incomplete data. Ad platform like Facebook or TikTok might struggle to optimize campaign. You lose insight about user behavior, making it harder to improve your store performance. By enabling the data layer, you ensure accurate structured data flows to all your marketing and analytics tools, making your tracking more reliable and actionable. Here's why this setup is game changer. Better at optimization. Platform like Facebook, TikTok can use this data to serve better ads and improve ROI. Details analytics. You can track every step of the customer journey from product views to checkout. Reduce tracking errors. Structured data ensure you report every accurate and actionable. Enabling the data layer is a small but powerful step toward scaling your Shopify store efficiently. Now, let's set up it. This is my Shopify store. I want to enable this website data layer. If I click on data layer checker, you will see that sorry, no data layer found. Firstly, need to go to our Shopify store, then click on settings, then click again customer events, then click on add to custom pixel. Firstly, need to give a name for this pixel name. This is a advanced feature that requires JavaScript knowledge. Shopify is not responsible for your use of pixels. Compliance with applicable slow, constant code security and troubleshooting and updates your responsibility. So firstly, need to give a name for this data layer. Type this name, then click on add. Now need a data layer code. So go back to my documentation, then copy this code. Copy everything. If you need this data layer, please check on video description. Then paste here. Now I need to change some things here. I need to change this GTM code. So go back to my Google Tag Manager, then need to copy this GTM code. Then paste here. I already changed this GTM-ID code. Then click on permission not required. This pixel is always run. Then select data collected does not qualify as data cell. Then select this. Then click on save. Our pixel data layer is saved. Now I need to connect this data layer. So click on connect. Then again click connect. Now I need to go back to my website Shopify store. Then click reload. Then again click on our data layer checker. You will see that our page view event information is here. If I click any product, then again click on data layer checker, we will see all of these informations like product ID, category, product name, product type, product currency, contents, everything is here. If I click on add to cart, if I click again on our data layer checker plus, we will see all of these informations here. Then again click on buy it now. We will find out begin checkout event and all of these informations here. If I purchase any product, then I will fill up this dummy informations. It's not real, and click pay now. Now we will see our payment informations, add payment informations, and checkout contact. Everything is here. So our website data layer is enabled. If I see premium data layer, you will see that essential package 150 per month and growth package 350 per month and business package 750 per month. If you use this data layer, you will totally free use this data layer. If you need this data layer, please contact with us. Link in the description. That's it for today. Now your Shopify store is ready for advanced ranking. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Analyst Sultan for more tips on analytics and e-commerce tracking. Have any question? Drop them in the comment or reach out to me direct. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.